Alright, we're good here.
Sorry?
We're good. Good morning. Dito na si Mami. Ang aga niya. Mga ano lang. 3:30 yung usapan. 3:20 pa ata. Nasa labas na siya. Ayaw pumasok. Parang ano. Sabi, hintay lang ako dito. Take your time dyan. Siya sa labas na. Sa car lang. Kasi malamig din naman eh. We are here, guys. My best friends wants to say hello.
What are your best and they're really bad?
Just relax. It's okay.
You should best them, babe. They're really bad.
I know. Well, I didn't. It wasn't like this yesterday, babes. It was just this morning. I don't have the time to burst it. Just relax your ducks. Tatlo yung luggage namin, pero yung anong, yung maliit, hand carry lang yan. Tapos meron pa kaming isang backpack na nasa, ano, loob ng malaking luggage. The weather says it's 14 degrees, but it's not that cold. So, ito lang yun. Oh, naka-t-shirt lang ako. Tapos, itong very thin cardigan na na-feature ko sa haul ko, guys. Okay ka lang dyan, babe? All good ba, love? Checkin tayo. Virgin. Ooh, let's try the scan passport, babe. Oh, name and destination. Ito na lang. Mas madali. Guys, we made it. Naka-check-in na kami. Kuha na din namin lahat ng boarding passes all the way to Tokyo. Merong nag-worry kanina. Were you worried?
I wasn't worried at all.
Sobrang nag-worry siya. Kasi siya yung nag-book ng ticket namin. Yung binook niya, yung pag-book niya, walang space yung first name at saka yung middle name ko. So, kapag sa system, kasi ang pagdating namin doon wala pang tao sa check-in counter. So, sa system kami dumiretso. Kasi ginagamit na namin yung like computer pag check-in. So, kanina, ayaw niya mag-ano.
Do you need a toilet, babe?
No, not yet. Ayaw niyang mag-go through nung passport ko. Nung skinan ko yung passport ko, sabi, your passport name and your booking name doesn't match. Kasi nga, may space yung isa walang space. So, nag-worry siya, nagsobra. Meron akong na-meet kanina, hello, pasensya na ha, kung sobrang nagmamadali kami kasi may nag-worry dito ng bongga. Sorry. Anyway, okay na guys. Nag-ano lang kami dun sa, like yung proper na check-in, hindi yung sa machine. And sabi niya, it shouldn't be a problem na space lang naman, hindi naman spelling. Nawala lang yung space ng first name at saka middle name. Sabi niya, wala naman daw problema dun. Yung system lang talaga kasi nga, system siya. Parang mali talaga para sa kanya. Pero okay na kami. Thank you. That's mine. Dito kami sa chocolate. Coffee before yung boarding time. Wow. What did you get? Cappuccino?
Cappuccino.
That looks good, babe.
Yeah.
Kain, guys. Coffee pala. Coffee. Alams na. 50% off, oh. Do you want me to wear that? That's for women, isn't it? Yeah, my boobs show. Huh? No, I'm not wearing that one. Is it for kids? That's not for kids, babe.
That's right.
Laki ng boobs niyan, kids. Wala. How about this one? One left. Off to Melbourne.
That's good. You want to see?
Wala yan sa akin, babe. Tingnan mo yung akin. We're here. Inano ko guys. Ginanon ko yung aking yung isang kapatid, yung girlfriend. Ginanon ko kasi medyo nagwawala na siya, beshi. Departure na tayo. Pasok na tayo sa Dito na kami sa Melbourne. Lang kami, isang oras lang. So, diretso na kami sa gate namin. Meron na kami boarding pass. Off to Hong Kong! Mabilis lang kami doon. Hong Kong na tayo. Hindi pa ako kumain. Nag-coffee lang ako kanina. Kasi yung chan ko gumagano na. Pati din si Dan. Ay, nag-granola siya. Ako hindi ako nag-granola kanina sa plane. Pero let's eat sa plane. I'm hungry. We are 29. Here, babe. Yay. You wanna go window? Or aisle? Do a hole, babe.
Oh,
What did you get there?
bottle of water.
Yep.
This is from a mountain in Australia called the Guacamole Mountain. It's located in the top of New South Wales.
Seatbelt signs. Place your cabin baggage in the overhead lockers.
What's that
behind
one?
The seat in front of you, as the aisles and exits must be kept
Just
clear.
break it.
Heavier items are best
alright.
placed under the seat.
Yeah.
For your convenience,
Oh, so is
mobile
it
phones may be
Yeah,
kept
headphones.
after the last
Oh,
cabin door
headphones.
has been
Oh,
closed.
cool.
If you require any assistance, please ask one of your crew.
What's in there, my love? No, not headphones.
A pen?
Oh, pen. That's
cute is
cool. That's a
Mini
cute pen.
Headphones. When Rachel's talking to me, I put these in.
It's not headphones. It's earplugs.
Earplugs, sorry.
And then that. It wasn't
That
even
is all.
focused on you. That's it?
That is all.
That's a blanket. Guys, we made it in Hong Kong. We're here. Lalabas kami. Did you spray already?
Yeah.
Nag-spray lang siya sa duty free saglit. Nandun naman sa bag niya yung ano niya, yung perfume niya. Ewan ko sa kanya. Immigration tayo, tapos labas tayo. Actually, maghanap pa kami ng may iwan ng luggage namin kasi hindi namin alam. Nakapagpalit na kaming dalawa, oh. Nagpalit kami sa plane para pagdating namin dito, dire-diretso na kami labas ba. Hindi na kami mag-iisip na magpalit pa. So, ito lang yung outfit ko. Forever 21. Leggings from Target. Shoes from Yes Style. This is from Sunny's Face. And nakapag-makeup na din ako nag-slide. Nag-freshen up kami before kami nag-land kanina. Iwan namin yung luggage namin dyan sa left luggage. Sabi ni Kuya dun daw sa may yellow na wall. Dito tayo, guys. So, ano siya? 12 Hong Kong dollars per case per hour. Dito kami sa ano, guys, kung saan ka kukuha ng bus ticket. Magbabas kami na Dan. So, first time namin. Sorry? Naiwan na namin yung luggage namin. Tapos ano siya, babayaran mo siya pag pick up mo na sa luggage. So, magkuklose sila 1:30 ng umaga. Pero darating kami dito mga 12 midnight. So, okay lang. Punta kami guys sa Jordan. So, A22 yung binili namin. 39 Hong Kong dollars each. Napaka-windy guys. Pero sana naririnig nyo ako. Binibigyan nila kami ng ticket. Tapos, merong mga parang station. So, dito tayo, A22. Hintayin natin si bus A22. Papuntang Jordan. Walis, babe. Ayan ba yun? Is that it? Bakit siya nandun, Beshi? It says A12, babe. Parang ito na ata, guys. Kasi yung dumaan kanina, A12, biglang nagbago yung number niya. Yay! Do you wanna stay up top? First time ko makasakay ng ganito. Double-double. Ignorante lang. Sige. Hello, babe, ticket. Here. Thank you. Char. Makyat kami, Beshi. Ay, may wifi. Ingay ko. Look, harap talaga, babe. Really, babe? Front?
Cross front.
Okay. Dito kami sa taas, guys. May durante kaming dalawa. Ang cool. Nasa taas ka. Ito yung kalagayan natin ngayon.
座位上讓椅安裝安全帶。 Welcome to Hong Kong. Thank you for traveling with City Flyer Route A22.
Dito na kami guys, kakababa lang namin ng bus. Pasok kami 7-Eleven. Bili daw si Dan ng drink. What do you want, babe?
This is a drink. Water's fine.
Okay. Hello, babe. Oh, I think that's the Sakura. Yeah. Japan. Sakura. That's a Japanese drink. The Coca-Cola Sakura flavor. May mga chips din dito. Pero balita ko, char balita ko. Mas bongga yung 7-Eleven sa Japan. Bili kami nito guys. Mask. Yogurt mask pack. Cute kasi. $90. Thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Look at this one.
What? Are they cool?
Cool. This is not
Thank
water.
you.
This is not water either, but it's still good.
Here, babe. Let me show it. Si Dan, di ba gusto niya tubig? Ito yung kinuha niya. Pocari Sweat. Hindi siya tubig, pero masarap. Sabi niya, hindi siya tubig, pero masarap. So, okay na yan. May baleno dito, guys. Ay, sorry. May baleno, guys. Oh. 69 Hong Kong. Magkano ba yan? Mga $6 lang. $6 lang to. Ito yung gusto ni Merwin na mga yung mga tracksuit pants. Mga shorts, oh, $179. Dito na kami, guys. Taligsik, guys. Hindi ko alam anong Tagalog ng taligsik. Pero ulan ng konti ba? Konti lang na ulan. Ito, nandito na kami. Nilagay ni Dan sa plastic yung bag ko kasi umuulan. Dito, dim sum. Tapos may mga damit doon. Wala, dito masarap ikain na lang. Street food ba? Plano kasi namin mag-ozone bar. Yung sobrang taas na building ba? Sobrang haba na building. Kaya lang baka tsaka yung view. Look at all these bags, guys. Gucci, Louis Vuitton, alams na. Si Dan, anong tinitingnan-tingnan mo dyan? Ay, nakita namin si, who's that again, babe? Froy and Jerry?
Troy, Jay.
No, Froy.
Was it Troy?
Nag-hi sa amin kanina si Froy at Jerry. Froy. Sabi ni Dan, Troy. Froy, ata yung narinig ko. Hello, salamat. Nagkita kami dito. Kami na talaga nagkita dito sa Hong Kong. Yung bag ko, guys, ay... Marami pa silang kulay. Gusto to ni Dan, oh. Chess ba? Tapos yung
How much are
mga...
they?
$230? That's cute, babe. Look, oh, horsey.
180.
180? Anong kaibahan? So that's 180. This is 230.
Yeah, this is the best side.
Okay. Bili kami nito, guys. Kasi ang cute ng mga letters. 22. Yung unang presyo ni Kuya, 50. Tapos tinawad na ni Dan. Good job, mala. 22.
I bet you will see it for 20. That's okay.
Yeah, okay lang yan.
Half the
Mura
price
lang
is
yan.
negotiable.
Akala namin nakamura kami doon. Ano pala? Mga, how much is that? $4?
What is it?
Yung 22?
I reckon $3.50, $3.70, something like that.
Yeah. Akala namin yung
Too much.
Akala namin yung 22, $1. I mean, $2. 12 pala. 12 Hong Kong, $2. Ang daming mga pikoy na bags dito, guys. Dun, oh. Sila paring Louis, Gucci. Tingnan mo to si Dan. Uy! Buang ay! Katakalag suday! Where is me, babe? Where am I?
How much is
That's me. How much?
Oh, you put the money there and it's taxi.
Ulit. Ayun. Sumilip na si Panda. Ayan, kukunin ng pera. Ay, that's cool. Ang galing. Tingnan nyo guys, right name on rice. Sa rice, tingnan natin. Where's the rice? Oh, here. That is so tiny. What are you gonna do with the rice? Put it here. Hindi makita. Pero ang liit na niya, no? Ikaw na talaga, kuya. Tapos na kami dun sa market, guys. What market was that, babe?
Temple Street.
Temple Street. Temple Street yun. Sure ka? Are you sure? That's Temple Street? Naghahanap na kami na makakain. Windy. Tapos yun nga, yung taligsik. Guys, it's not the best night to be in Hong Kong. Pero, wala tayong magawa. Nandito na tayo eh. It's windy. Pero maraming mga shops dito ha. Hindi nga lang siya ganun ka, yeah, it's okay. Hindi nga lang siya ganun kamura. Namali kami sa conversion namin, kaya akala ko yung mask sobrang mura lang. Wala, namali ako. Pero okay lang kasi ang cute. Lakad-lakad na kami dito guys. Papunta kami sa Ladies Market. Busy ang may mga shops dun, Adidas. Tapos may Bonjour. Parang ata yun nila, makeup, skincare na shop. Bonjour. Nandito kami sa guys. Ano ba to? Yusupso. Ang soft nito, Grabe. $12.90. Mga $2 lang. Babe, I'm here. Ito yung soft. Mas soft yung brown kaysa dito sa light. Soft din yung pink. Pero wala na yung brown na ganito shape. Or baka nasa ilalim. Ito. Wala. Wala na. Check natin tong O lens or C? Contact lenses store. Parang C ata. C lens store. Check natin guys. Ang dami dito, Parang nandito na kami sa Ladies Market, guys. Babe, can we check this Adidas first? Adidas. Yeah. Meron kami nadaanan dito, guys. Kain-kain muna tayo kasi gutom na ako. Which one, babe? Just pick and then give it to him. I don't know. Hello, ang laki na talaga ng pimple ko. Tapos yung mata ko pa pulang-pula. Okay lang yung masarap yung guys, sausage ito. Masarap to. Yung may bacon hindi masyado. Kasi ito okay lang din. Squid. Sarap to. Walang sauce, walang spicy na sauce. Dito na kami sa Ladies Market, guys. Same lang siya nung kanina. Mas marami, mas magkalapit, mas congested. Bumili na naman siya ng what's that again? What's that again? What's that again, babe?
Not sure.
Pocari sweat? Ang cute, Nandun si Kobe sa likod.
Just one.
Tawiwin. Kobe. How much? Bili ako nito, guys. Na-miss ko to. Yung white rabbit ba? Nakakain yung ilalim na wrapper. Yun na. $18. Tapos na kami sa Ladies Market, guys, kasi paulit-ulit na lang yung mga tinda, yung mga pikoy na mga mga luxury. So, pupunta kami sa Ozone Bar. Nabusog ako sa kinain kong kanina. Kinain kong street food. So, tinignan namin yung map. Bibili kami ng ticket. Kasi feeling namin, alam na namin kung saan kami pupunta. Alright, right, babe. This one. What was that again? Liking. To Liking. And then from Liking to Kowloon, right? Uy! What did I do? Is that me? 2. We need 2. Adults? How do you say 2? Multiple. 2. Mongkok to Liking. 2. Okay? Oh, good, babe? Oh my gosh, I did it. Look. Ano yun, babe? What's that? What's that, babe? Ano na yun? No, less than 13 minutes.
No, yeah,
No, I selected 2.
okay.
There. Okay. Continue. Pay by cash? Pay by cash. Where do we pay? Here? Ito ba yung connect niya? Here, babe, oh. Kahit ano ba? Wala, kinain na niya, Beshi. Ay! Ay! Ang galing natin. And then, pagdating na ba natin doon magpa-purchase ng isa pang ticket? Ay, we got it, babe. Yay!
Let's do it.
And then change. Change, babe? How much is it?
Oh.
Magkano ba yun? Just wait. There you go. Money. Wow. 60. Ay, mura lang. 60 something. Okay. Paano ba to? Do you just like scan it? Ganyan ba yan? Ay! Yes! Where are we going?
Ritz-Carlton Hotel.
Punta kami sa Ozone Bar. Punta sana kami sa Jollibee, kaya lang mag-close na sila ng 10:30 at saka 11. So, hindi na kami makakaabot. So, punta
Next time.
tayo. Ritz-Carlton. So, nandito lang siya sa loob ng... Hindi naman siguro. Yeah, parang malapit lang siya sa station. Nag-stop kami sa Kowloon Station. And dito lang banda yung Ritz-Carlton. And nandito yung Ozone Bar na sobrang, ano daw, yung sobrang taas niya. Tingnan natin kung anong floor to. Here. Akit? I think so. Ozone Bar.
The lift.
The ozone is go to upstairs and then take another lift to 103 and then another lift to ozone.
Cool, thank you.
Okay, 103. Thank you. Lift to 103 and then another lift to 103. Guys, nanggaling na kami doon sa taas. Kaya lang, wala silang close yung terrace nila. So, walang view at all kasi hindi maganda yung weather. Tapos, merong available sa loob pero standing ovation kami doon. So, hindi na lang kami tumuloy. Kasi tatayo lang kami. Tapos, walang view. Yung pinunta kasi namin makita yung city view. Kaya lang, dahil daw pangit yung weather, wala. So, pababa na kami. Lalabas kami. Ang tingnan namin kung ano makikita namin sa labas. Kung wala na talaga, babalik kami sa sa airport na lang. Dito kami sa labas ng Ritz, guys. Maghanap na lang kami ng makakainan dyan sa Civic Square. Sabi ni Kuya, marami daw mga bars, restaurant. Tapos, tingnan nyo naman yung mga building. Paglabas namin kanina dun sa may mga... Oh, ganda. Okay lang kasi kung sa taas hindi natin makikita to. Buti na lang close yung terrace. Nangyari sa'yo dyan. Picture pa more. Dito na tayo, Civic Square. Marami silang mga restaurant nga. Sabi nga ni Kuya, ang ganda, this building, wow. Can you see the building, babe? And then down here, dyan, restaurants. Bongga. Guys, we're heading back to the train station. Pabalik na kami sa airport. Nagpunta kami ng Civic Square, diba? Wala kaming nakitang magandang kainan. Puro parang mga bar-bar lang. Siguro may mga pagkain, pero more on mga drinks. Gusto namin kumain. So, pupunta kami sa airport. Maganda dun. Mas marami pang open dun. Saan na tayo? Kowloon Station? Okay. One-way ticket to the airport. 150, dalawa, guys. Express na daw to. Kaya baka mahal. Okay. We are back in the airport, guys. Dito ako noon, nung nag-layover din ako ng matagal. Nung naghihintay ako ng check-in ko nung lounge ko. McDonald's naman to dito, babe. Naghanap kami ng makakain. I know. Actually, they have more.
Further?
Yeah, let's see. Let's check. Feel ko pa. Sabi ko dito yun. Hindi pala dito yun. I said in my vlog earlier, it was exactly here. I was exactly here when I had my layover. But now I'm wrong. Hindi ito yung McDonald's lang to eh. Yung pinuntahan ko, ano siya, food court. So, hanapin natin yun. Hindi naman natin hahanapin. Naghanap tayo ng pagkain. Okay? Babe, how do you pronounce that?
Lowy.
Huh?
Lowy.
Lowy? Okay.
How it's pronounced?
How about this one?
Miyu.
Miyu?
Mayu?
What?
Mayu?
Mayu? No. Mew Mew? And then the other one's Loewe. Can you
Is
believe
what?
that? Loewe.
Loewe.
Yeah. How did you say it? Louis?
Lowy.
Lowy? Hanggang ngayon, naghanap pa rin kami ng makakain. Ooh, Pizza Express. Nakapag-decide na kami finally to do Pizza Express. So we're here to have some very late dinner. Guess what? Hindi kami natuloy sa Pizza Express kasi wala silang pasta. Pizza lang. Eh, alam ni Dan na hindi ako kumakain ng pizza. Minsan lang ako kumakain ng pizza. So, nandito kami sa food court. Balik kami sa food court. Nag-order kami sa basta parang Thai restaurant. Tom yum yung akin. Tapos kay Dan, beef noodle soup. And then I got the Thai milk tea. Ano yung mukha ko talaga? Oy! And then si Dan nag-order ng chocolate drink. Ice. Hi tayo guys! Kinuha ko lahat ng sauce nila doon. Lahat ng sauce na meron sila. Hindi ko naman, ay, ito. May pangalan naman, chili sauce. Ooh, chili oil, babe! Chili oil, chili sauce. May pangalan naman pala. What time is it, my love? 1:53 na. Hala, is it? No. Oh my gosh, natakot ako sa 1:53. Yung boarding natin, 1:30. 12:23 na ng ano guys. Umaga na pala. Uy. Pakita ko sa inyo yung binili namin sa Hong Kong. Kunti lang. Today! Let's do a haul! Hindi siya, yung napansin ko, hindi siya like mura. It's not cheap in Hong Kong, right? Even in the markets, hindi siya mura talaga. Like, nung una, nalito kami sa conversion kasi akala namin $22 was $1. Ano, $2? Akala namin $22, $2. Ano pala? No, we thought $22 was $2.
Yeah.
Yeah, and ano pala yun, mga $4 or $5. Sabi pa namin, good deal yung magnet. Hindi pala. Ano, pero in fairness sa mga tao dito, ang babait nila guys. Like, kung kailangan mo ng tulong sa directions, kung saan ka pupunta, tinitingnan ko yung lips ko. Nandito pa rin in fairness. At kanina pa to, ang dami ko nang kinain. Ito na naman yung Maybelline. Yung lagi kong ginagamit, yung Pioneer na shade. Anyway, as in, ginagawa talaga nila yung best nila. Kahit na hihirapan sila mag-English, ginagawa talaga yung best. As in, yung iba, kasi nagtatanong kami sa loob ng shops, like yung mga sales staff sa shops ba, lumalabas talaga sila para ituro sa amin, like, doon o dyan sa ano na yan, sulok na yan, pasok kayo dyan, gaganon-ganon sila. Sabi nila, Dan, grabe, ang babait ng mga tao dito. Hindi lahat, like, meron talaga yung iba na hindi ko alam, hindi naman siguro sila rude, ano lang, parang natatakot lang siguro sila makipag-usap kasi nga hindi sila ganun kagaling magsalita. Pero yeah, sa napansin namin sa mga shops ang babait, so salute. Anyway, sobra. Uy, nakita nyo na naman itong mga binili namin. Ay, pinakita ko ba ito sa inyo? Ito, magnet guys. How much did we get this for? 22. He started at what? How much? He started at how much?
50.
50 pa
Even
yung...
22 is plenty.
Yeah, I know.
But it looks cool. I like it.
Yeah.
I like it. I reckon it's cute.
He started at ano guys, $50. Ano pa ganun pa si Kuya. Iyon yung parang para sa atin parang medyo rude yung pagkaano niya sa akin. Like when the way he approached me to show the price was a bit rude, but maybe that's just how they do it. He was like, hey, like, you know, parang lapit ka.
It was rude. No, it was rude.
Yeah. And tapos, pinakita lang niya sa calculator ba, parang hindi niya sinabi. Inano lang niya sa calculator. Parang, ewan ko sa kanya, ayun siguro niya magsabi, nahihiya siya kasi sa laki ng presyo niya. So, lagay niya 50. Sabi niya, no. Tapos, parang sabi niya, ay! Parang tinatawag niya kami ulit. Tapos, ang lakas ng boses kasi paalis na kami. Ang mahal kaya. Sabi niya, ay! Ganun siya. Tapos, how much was the second price? Did he put 30 or something?
Yeah.
I think he put 30, di ba? From 50, 30 agad. Sabi ni Dan, si Dan naglagay sa calculator. How much did you put? 15? 15 was your first?
20 was next.
20? Yeah, 20. Tapos sabi niya 28. Tapos sabi ni Dan, 25? No. Because we got this for how much?
22.
22. So, anyway, nakuha namin siya ng 22. Pero, nakita na namin siya maraming beses sa ibang shop. Hindi na namin tiningnan kasi alam namin, na-realize na namin, sabi naman nila, mahal pala yun. Pero, ang cute niya kasi. Gusto ko siya kasi mayroong mga lettering na mga ano ba. Gonna be in my vlog, my love. Ang cute nito. You like this as well?
I do.
Gusto ko yung mga ganito, yung full-on na ano talaga magnet para hindi madaling nahuhulog. And then ito, mahal din. Akala ko mga $9 lang. 90, babe. Pero ang cute niya kasi, in fairness ha, sa 7-Eleven lang talaga namin siya nakita. Hindi ko siya nakita sa iba. So, okay lang naman siguro. It's 90. So, akala ko kasi nga, yung conversion, $12 is 1 Australian dollar. Ano pala, $12 is 2 Australian dollars. So, mga ano to, mga
$16.
16? Okay lang.
$16.
Yeah, that's fine. 10 pieces naman kasi. And again, this is the only one that I saw na Yakult. So, and alam mo yun. Tapos, ang daming mga mask doon na tag $38 lang for 10 pieces. Sabi ko, 90. Okay lang yan, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan, nag-iisa lang siya. And then ito. Ito yung mura, $18 lang. Masarap to. Nakakamiss kaya to. Hindi nga lang siya very chewy. Medyo ano siya, matigas. It's meant to be chewy. Well, I remember it being chewy. You can eat the wrapper. That's the best part. Eat the wrapper, babe. Para talaga siyang buang inam. Ayaw niya talaga kainin. It's meant to be chewy. Maybe because it's cold here. It's not chewy. Ano siya, matigas. Matigas pero masarap. Anyway, yun lang. Did you buy anything, babe? He was so close to buying yung parang ulo ni, hindi naman ulo, parang yung malaking ulo ni Michael Jordan, tapos maliit yung katawan, tapos gumagano'n yung ulo. Ano daw? Gumagano'n yung ulo. But how much was she selling it for? Michael Jordan?
I think 50 as well. I don't know.
$50? No, that's cheap if it's 50.
We walked away at 30.
What? No, I think it's like $2.30 or something. Wait, that's cheap if it's 30, babe. It's like magnet. Mataka-taka naman ni siya. May nakita akong Kobe doon. Inisip ko, kapag Kobe kasi, iniisip ko si Wiwin kasi favorite niya si Kobe. Kaya lang yung mukha ni Kobe, hindi magkapareha. Totoong mukha ni Kobe. Anyway, yeah. Yun na yung vlog, guys. Salamat for watching. I'll see you again later. Same outfit. Kasi, magbo-board kami in naluloka ako sa oras. Kasi dito, 1:59. Hindi kasi siya nakakonect sa wifi, so hindi automatic yung ano niya. Pero 12:30 pa. In an hour, magbo-board na kami. So, ito na muna yung vlog kasi baka mahaba na to. Salamat guys for watching. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung ating Mumunting Hong Kong vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Hopefully tomorrow. Be good guys. Bye. Good night.